Hi, this is Dr. Rod with 17th Street Chiropractic. And if you haven't been to our clinic in a while, we made a few renovations, a few little changes. I wanted to show you around what changed over here. So first of all, we got new floorings, as you see, brand new wooden floors. The ugly carpet with plants and everything is gone. So it's brand new. We also did get some brand new carpeting over here for this side of the clinic. The floor was uneven, so we had to get new carpet over here instead of flooring. So, but it looks super nice. So that's that. Over here at the main room, we got new paint on the walls. Now it's a beautiful, nice green. And most importantly, we got a brand new chiropractic table. So this is about a month old now. So pretty good stuff. This room over here also got new flooring. Let me turn the light on over here. New flooring, new paint on the walls, new ceiling. It's looking really nice. Looking really, really nice. So if you haven't been here for a while, come on in, give me a call, send me an email, a text message, and set up an appointment. The chiropractic adjustments are as good as always, but the clinic is nice and fresh and brand new and looking good. So give me a call. Looking forward to see everyone in here. Call, text, email, whatever it is, we'll get you in here. Thank you. Take care, everybody.